It's now time for news from overseas. U.S. President Donald Trump has claimed an initial agreement aimed at ending the war with Iran is close after posting that he had cancelled strikes on the country. However, Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson told state TV that reports of an agreement were speculative and nothing has been finalized. Trump has made similar claims in the past that the two countries are close to reaching a deal to end the conflict. Hours before the announcement, Trump had declared he would hit Iran very hard. The U.S. and Israel launched wide-ranging strikes on Iran on February 28. Iran responding by attacking Israel and U.S. allied states in the Gulf and effectively closing the Strait of Hormuz, a key shipping route for the world's oil and liquefied natural gas. Despite having agreed a ceasefire in April, the U.S. and Iran have exchanged intermittent fire, including 2 rounds of tit-for-tat strikes this week.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after this break. Jeremy Brown is standing by.